All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Ford Transit. It is the T-350 12-passenger wagon with 13,000 miles, white with black cloth interior, AM/FM CD player, Onyx, got backup camera. Super nice, only 13,000 miles. Go real quick. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Your front driver's door looks good. Your quarter here does have a dent from here to here. So you can see, it takes a little bit of the inside here. Hopefully they don't call it frame at the auction, but if they do, you can see why right there. Sometimes we know better than call things like that frame. Everything else looks pretty good. Your rear driver's hubcap and your tire thread here is at around almost 930 seconds. Front driver's hubcap and tire thread looks like around 1230 seconds. Let's check it out inside. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. These things are not broken. They just work like that. Got two key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Does have AM/FM CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Got your backup camera. Pow. Got your steering wheel, your instrument cluster. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 13,639. You got steering wheel controls on this side. That's about it, folks. Looks good in here. Got your rear AC controls there. Coming around. Boom, boom, boom. Got some scuffing here, as you can see in the little corner there. Rest of the bumper looks good. It does have a tow hitch, which is pretty damn nice. Let's see, these doors do swing out all the way. Boom. Likewise with this one. Of course, this is what your rear cargo area looks like. Very nice, actually. It doesn't have the 15 passengers, so if it was 15, you wouldn't even have this. You would just have another row here. Or it actually had one not too long ago. Here's your rear. One of your doors looks like the panel looks good. Doesn't look beat up. Likewise on this door. Looks good. Panel doesn't look all beat. All right, this quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's hubcap. Rear passenger hubcap, apologize. Tire thread is around 930 seconds. These doors look good. Boom, they look good. So one of them looks like, boom. The other one, boom. Your rear passenger seats look good. Here's what one of your doors looks like. I don't see any things then. Any scratches, any rips, any holes. I do not see any of them. They look good. All right, you get your AC vents running along the top. Boom. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender looks good. Front passenger hubcap. And your tire thread here is almost at 1030 seconds. Grab this ladder and see what's going on up on the roof. Let's check it out. The roof does have a dent right there, as you can see. Definitely call that 10 or more. That's about it. Check it out back here. And here, we look pretty good. Pretty good. Seems like I got something here. Might have been like a previous repair to something right there. All right. Other than that, look pretty good. Lights are working, car is running. Folks, once again, this is the 2016 Ford Transit T-350 12-passenger wagon with 13,000 miles. You guys get any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.